Hi, I'm Jason Dubendorfer, IQS Specialist on the marketing team. Today we're going to talk about SQS software. Let's get started. And in this episode, we're going to add an operator. So let's say we have somebody new that joins our team and we need to add them to the workflow to give them permission to do the work at this station. What you want to do is you want to locate the operator tree, which is down in the lower right-hand corner, but in this case, it's not present. So to find it, what you do is you go to View, Docking Window, and then come down to Operator Tree. You can see that there's no check mark next to this one. So we just check it. Now it appears down here. And here's our operator group in our operator tree. We expand these. You can see we have operators and supervisors. If we need to add an operator or a supervisor, all you have to do is right-click, add operator. Let's say the operator's name is Jason Dubendorfer. We're going to add the name and then our ID number. My ID number is 9988. Click apply, and you can see that now I'm an operator. Let's say we need to add a supervisor. It is literally the same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to add Peter Clark to our supervisor list. His ID badge is 5858. We click apply, and now he shows up here. Let's say the customer wants to add a brand new group of people, such as an admin group or a QA group. So then that way they have access to this machine, but only limited access because we don't want them to have full. So we add a group. Here we can change this from operator group to admin. And at this point, we give them permission. And this is where the operators and the supervisors also get their permissions. And you can give them permission to absolutely everything, or you can take away what you don't want them to have. So we can assign or deselect anything and everything when it comes to the rights of an operator, a supervisor, an admin, or whatever other group that your customer wants to give. So we're going to click apply. You can see now that this is an admin level. And if we need to add somebody here, let's call her Barbara Smith. And her operator badge is 2525. Now Barbara Smith is our admin person, and that's how you add an operator as well as an operator group.